This video is about the best Windows registry changes that can optimize your system for gaming. I've got 10 real registry tweaks that strip out all the background nonsense, unlock hidden performance limits, and make Windows behave like it was actually built for gaming. And before you click away thinking, bro, registry tweaks don't do anything, yeah, most don't. That's because people just copy the same 3 lines from Reddit without even knowing what they actually change. But the ones I'm showing you today, they're tested, clean, and they actually make a difference. Smoother frames, faster response, and fewer micro stutters. By the end of this video, your Windows will feel snappier than a fresh install. So guys, before we jump into the manual tweaks, here's a quick time-saving tip. If you'd rather skip all the step-by-step editing, you can grab the pre-configured registry settings pack from my Discord server. The link is in the description. After downloading, open the folder, go into the registry section, and double-click each file to apply the tweaks instantly. What's great about this pack is that it's flexible. If you ever want to undo any of the changes, there's a revert folder included with all the original default settings. Just double-click those files to restore everything back to normal. I've also added a detailed text file listing every registry path used, so you can double-check, learn, or manually tweak anything if you prefer. So if you want a faster, easier, and safer way to apply all the optimizations, grab the pack from the Discord and save yourself a lot of time. Now guys, if you want to do all these tweaks manually, here's what you need to do. Open your Windows search bar, type registry, and run the registry editor as an administrator. It'll open with full permissions, allowing you to make every change safely and without restrictions. Alright guys, in this first step, we're going to prioritize foreground applications using Win32 priority separation. This tweak makes your system focus more on the active game instead of background apps, helping reduce lag and improve overall smoothness. It's a simple change, but it can make a noticeable difference in how stable and responsive your gameplay feels. To apply it, copy the first registry path from the video description and paste it into the address bar. Press enter, find Win32 priority. Separation on the right side, double-click it, set the value data to 26. Choose hexadecimal and hit OK. Once done, your system will prioritize your game above all background tasks, giving you a smoother, faster, and more consistent gaming experience. Now for this next tweak, we're going to minimize input lag using max pre-rendered frames. In fast-paced games like Valorant, Fortnite, or Counter-Strike 2, even a split second can make a huge difference in your aim and reaction time. This tweak helps your inputs register instantly by reducing how many frames Windows pre-renders, giving you smoother and more responsive control. To apply it, copy the second registry path from the video description and paste it into the address bar. Press enter to go straight to the right location. On the right side, find max pre-rendered frames, double-click it, set the value data to 1, switch the base to decimal, and click OK. After doing this, your system will respond to your inputs faster, giving you that crisp, low latency feel that's perfect for competitive gaming. Next up, we're going to unlock some hidden CPU performance by adjusting system responsiveness. By default, Windows reserves around 20% of your CPU power for background services like updates, indexing, and telemetry. That's fine for everyday use, but when you're gaming, it can actually hold back your system's full potential. Lowering this value frees up extra processing power, giving your game smoother performance and fewer frame drops. To apply this tweak, copy the third registry path from the video description and paste it into the address bar. Press Enter to go straight to the location. Find System Responsiveness on the right side, double-click it, change the base to decimal, and set the value data to 10. Then click OK to save the change. Once this is done, your system will have more CPU power available for gaming, improving overall responsiveness and stability during heavy gameplay sessions. For this next tweak, we're going to disable core parking to fully unlock your CPU's potential. Core parking is a Windows feature that turns off some CPU cores when they're not being used to save power. That's fine for laptops or light use, but during gaming, it can actually hurt performance. By keeping all cores active, your CPU can handle multi-threaded games more efficiently, resulting in smoother frame rates and more consistent performance. To apply this tweak, copy the fourth registry path from the video description and paste it into the address bar. Press Enter to go directly to the right location. On the right side, look for the entry called Attributes, double-click it, and change the value data from 1 to 0, then click OK. This tweak helps make sure your CPU is always giving maximum performance, whether you're running a light game or a heavy title. Now we're moving on to one of the most powerful tweaks yet: deprioritization using the Multimedia scheduler. Windows uses this system to decide which applications get priority access to your CPU and GPU. By default, it balances things for general use, but that's not ideal for gaming. With a few adjustments, we can tell Windows to prioritize your game above everything else. To apply this tweak, copy the next registry path from the video description and paste it into the address bar. Press Enter to reach the correct location. In the right panel, make sure these 6 values are present and correctly set. Once you've applied this tweak, Windows will treat your game as a top priority task, ensuring it gets first access to your CPU and GPU resources. The result is smoother gameplay, fewer stutters, and better consistency even when recording or streaming. Want super low ping in all the games? That's where Gear Up Booster comes in clutch. Download Gear Up Booster right now with the top link in my video description. It finds the best DNS servers near you to cut ping, fix lag spikes, and keep your game smooth and stable. And the best part? You can try it completely free. Now it's time to fine-tune your network settings by optimizing TCP for better gaming performance. TCP, or Transmission Control Protocol, controls how data moves between your system and the game servers. By tweaking a few hidden registry values, we can reduce packet delays, improve network responsiveness, and make your online gameplay feel smoother and more stable. To do this, copy the next registry path from the video description and paste it into the address bar. Press Enter to jump straight to the right location. On the right side, you'll find several entries that need to be adjusted for maximum TCP performance. Default TTL, set the value to 64, then click OK Global Max TCP window size. Set it to 65,535, then hit OK TCP 1323 ops, set to 1, and save it TCP Max Dupax. Set this value to 2. TCP time wait delay, switch to decimal, enter 30, then confirm with OK. Once you've applied these tweaks, your system will handle online data more efficiently, helping lower ping spikes, reduce latency, and deliver a smoother multiplayer experience overall. Next, we're going to turn off Fast Startup. This feature helps Windows boot faster by skipping a full shutdown, putting your system into a semi-hibernated state instead. While that sounds useful, it can sometimes cause stability issues or slowdowns. especially when gaming. To do this, copy the next registry path from the video description and paste it into the address bar. Press enter to go straight to the location. On the right panel, find Hyperboot enabled, double-click it, and set the value data to 1. Then click OK. After this tweak, Windows will perform a full shutdown each time, helping you avoid random bugs, glitches, or sluggish performance during your gaming sessions. Now guys, let's make sure your games get top priority on your network. By default, Windows reserves a small portion of your internet bandwidth for background services and system functions. That's fine for regular use, but during online gaming, it can cause unnecessary ping spikes or connection delays. To fix this, copy the next registry path from the video description and paste it into the address bar. Press enter to go directly to the correct location. On the right side, find non-best effort limit, double-click it, and set the value data to 0. Then click OK. With this tweak applied, Windows will stop reserving bandwidth for background tasks, allowing your games to use your full network speed for smoother, more stable online performance. So guys, now we're going to disable power throttling in Windows. This feature limits your CPU performance to save battery life, especially on laptops, but it can also affect desktops depending on the active power plan. When enabled, it can restrict your CPU while your GPU runs freely, causing performance drops, FPS dips, or stuttering during gameplay. To fix this, copy the next registry path from the video description and paste it into the address bar. Press enter to go straight to the power throttling folder. On the right side, look for power throttling off. Double-click it and set the value data to 1, then click OK. Once done, Windows will stop restricting your CPU, allowing it to perform at full power for smoother, more consistent gaming performance. Alright guys, let's move on and disable network throttling. Windows has a built-in feature that can limit network speed during certain types of activity, mainly to manage non-streaming data. But when it comes to gaming, this can actually cause higher ping or random lag spikes, especially on slower or shared connections. Turning it off helps your system maintain smoother, more stable online gameplay. To do this, copy the next registry path from the video description and paste it into the address bar. Press enter to jump to the correct location. On the right side, find Network Throttling Index, double-click it, and enter 8 F characters as the new value. Then click OK. If you ever experience issues with other background apps using bandwidth, you can revert this tweak by changing the value back to 10. Otherwise, keeping it disabled will give you the best network performance for gaming. Alright gamers, that wraps it up. Smash that like button, join the Discord, and I'll catch you in the next optimization videos.